We haven't played bad. We haven't played really good, but we haven't played bad, So it's one day we don't hit, or a couple days we don't hit, and then the other days we don't pitch, and then some days we don't play defense. So it's not one specific thing consistently that's getting us in a lot of trouble. We pitch pretty well at times, and then all of a sudden we'll pitch bad for 3 or 4 hitters in a row, or we'll have good at bats, and we'll get some guys in scoring position, and then we don't put a good swing on it periodically, or we hit a ball hard right at somebody. And defensively, same thing. We'll move around and make a good play, and then we'll miss a couple of plays at critical times. So, we've just got to, again, keep addressing the issues that we got to address from a coaching staff standpoint, players. Everybody's disappointed, but again, we're 20 games into it, and we still got a chance to do some things before conference play. I think we got good seniors. The kids, they want to get better. They've performed well over their careers here. The best leadership is to perform well yourself. We tell our guys that all the time. You can be raw and do all that stuff all the time that you want, but if you're not performing at a high level, it doesn't really matter. Nobody listens to you. So I think the main thing is we got to get guys to perform at a little bit higher level consistently. And once that happens, I think that things will fall in place. Not just our older guys, but our freshmen, our sophomores, our juniors. We need guys to get better as the season goes on.